That's the
Should I? I don't want it to take too long though.
Hey, who cares about how long it takes? This is the ultimate Gabe Cruz video right now. We're here for you, brother.
All right, it is 11:23 and I'm giving myself until noon.
All right.
That's it.
Okay.
So I just did a back 360 kickflip. It was really sketchy, but I still did it within like 10 tries or so. So I'm gonna try backside 360 double kickflip. This is actually one of my goals for my month of August, but I got an injury, but I'm good now. And now I have a different challenge that's gonna start next month, but I'm gonna try this trick right now. So backside 360 double kickflip. It's all in the flick. I'm gonna send this and hopefully it doesn't take too long. Smell smoke?
Huh?
Smell smoke?
I do smell smoke. Dang.
Keep smelling that?
Yeah.
And it bothers me. The blizzard flip, you can just flick it normally and it kind of just goes. This one, you get that extra flick. You really have to like time it perfectly on the back 360, otherwise you're gonna miss.
Got it. Oh my goodness. Yo. Oh my gosh.
I'm still like in the process of figuring it out. That's why I'm kind of like rolling up at different points.
I feel like you have it pretty much figured out. You just gotta find the right points.
Yeah, so if I come at it more straight, the flick doesn't work as well. If I come at it more at an angle, what I'm noticing the pattern is that it flicks a little easier, but it's like weirder to turn around. I just gotta tie my shoe and then I think we're good.
Mm-hmm. That's a Gabe Cruz rear end. This says nothing. What did that say?
I got a notification. It went ding right as I popped.
Threw you all off.
Threw me. You know what it's like.
Yep. What is this?
It says mob. It said it was mob, but it was like super thick and not grippy.
Oh yeah, dude, mobs like that now for some reason.
What?
I think it's just because pandemic they had to do with the times and get what they can get. Did you smell it? It smells hella weird, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
We're rolling a pound. Gotcha, fans.
That would have been a solid blizzard flip. my gosh! It's right there! Gee!
Wasn't it, dude?
That was still insane.
That was insane. Insane.
It's very hot. I have the trick figured out. I think I can do it. We have a lot more videos to film, so I'm not trying to spend all day on this. So I already landed it. It counts, wasn't good at all. I'm gonna just say that right off the bat. It was not good at all. Does not pass my approval. So I'm gonna give it 10 more tries. If I can't do it perfect in that time, I'm gonna stop this video. You guys leave it in the comments below, but you will see the full landed, really good clip on my IG coming very soon. And yeah, I'm gonna give it 10 more tries, and then we're gonna move on to the next video.
Let's get to it.
Let's get it. Thank you, Nigel.
Huh?
Keep it going, right?
I haven't had a battle like that in a good while. Probably since the first time I did the blizzard flip. That felt good. That felt nice. I got a lot of sweat going. I'm feeling good. I'm on my health game again, so I'm trying to lose some weight and trying to skate better. And hopefully you guys see it. I just did a backside 360 double kickflip. I never in my life thought I would land that trick. Granted, was not good, not even close to good, but I'm gonna perfect it because what I do know is that I can land it because I rolled away from one. What else I know is that blizzard flips are pretty easy for me now because I landed one in like 10 tries before this video. So I'm improving, and tricks that I never thought I could do, I'm now doing pretty quickly. So that's the big important thing that we're trying to teach you guys, is that you can improve. If you don't know how to skateboard, you can get a skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. You can learn how to skate, you can learn the basics, and if you already know the basics, you can learn the intermediates and keep going. We want to inspire you, all of you guys, to get on your board. So if you learn anything from me, just keep skating and have fun. That's what it's all about. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. You can follow me on Instagram, GabeCrew01. And yeah, I guess let me know what kind of tricks you want to see me do next, because I'm trying to learn. And I got a big, big project coming up for you guys in September.